Now we're going to take a look at how we can work with Pathfinder to create the elements of closure and figure ground in logo design. So we're going to start out with, we've got a black rectangle, we have an anchor that's in black, and then we have a circle shape. So we're going to drag this into where visually it's kind of cutting this shape right in half. We're going to select all these, and I want to point out that this object is now going to basically create a split in this shape. So we go up here and, go down here to the Pathfinder, and let's click on this to get down into the deeper menu, and we're going to click on Divide. So now it looks like nothing really happened, but if we get into our direct selection tool, which we can get to by hitting A, and we hover over, we can see that now we're able to directly select elements of that rectangle now and delete them. So I'm going to delete that. And then I'm going to zoom up a little bit because here's what I'm after as far as matching. I realize that on this side of the split, this anchor is not black, it's white. So I'm going to go up here and change that to white. And that was a very quick way to establish closure and figure and ground. So we went from sort of a basic looking anchor within a circle and created something more interesting. So that's a useful way to use Pathfinder in Illustrator when you're designing logos and logo shapes.